Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can make money online on Tanzania. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm gonna be just guiding you through and letting you know the options available for you to make online money on Tanzania. So the options are YouTube channel. You can simply go ahead, go to the YouTube. You can go through the YouTube partnership program, which is also available in Tanzania, where you can make creative videos. You simply have to grow your subscribers and you have to get more views to get your earning from your own YouTube channel. You can do that. And another option is available is Bitcoin trading. Purchasing and selling Bitcoin online is also one of the most popular methods available to earn online. Just have to dig deep into the research of what to do, how to sell, what to buy, when to sell options. Once you do that, you can start doing the Bitcoin tradings as well. Then the another option is online surveys. While survey sites are not available in every country, so some of the options are available in Tanzania itself. So make sure you find that. Next thing is playing casino games. You can play any online casino games from the comfort of your home, and just have to again find the ones that is available in your country for the withdrawal and earning purposes. Next thing is betting on sports online. Now, sports betting is one of the games to earn real money in Tanzania. You need to predict and place a bet on any available sports on site, like Parry match, for example. This way, you can make money. This way, you can make money. You just need to choose a sport, tournament, or even team you like, and share your prediction for them. And that is how you can do it. So I hope this video was informative enough, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.